enti deputy programs manager edema National Malaria Control Program Ora James Frimpong ene kase no so omuguso bo omhodin bia asanse ne omocheche net omo ye campaign chairman for say omododo mu fie ene ade tititi egatemu a tichu apemfo no omo na net ni na bibia timi aye kama se na be ya omo bo ho ban e de free tontom ho na Ghana fo ni puma akoma 52 ye deport mo free US and Saudi Arabia on be draws from dream mo be drew bibia e fine e ma ne e meme nyina e du nyina ba o free Saudi Arabia kra bankra de e me de pa because for instance
easy one papa
jam kai
e to mo ba na ye pa but my graphic
okay they say the woman is nyina twotwa
no be enzi obi ebi ozi han
Koramba menfa chronicle free de na say na no pay da nyame ya domo a ekina ya na Emmanuel Chapel International Sepasi new site ya 4 days fasting and prayers in edition so the tie nyina ye ko say never lose hope and that's all hope chronicle ni na napia mensa no agege dem ko abramu na motatu kwa we lupremu ahu because men for ka bia hu city say mo en waje de lupremu na wode na nsa gu the tiko we year akurase wa konye be friend me bom tiri so enum na kameka say santra say bi watran ena tie de chronicle ka wose huhu kwa elupremu tran ne ho ahwa nyina huhu kwa ese de say obeka sai no adwadifo ye omkodi dwo ho no mbo anto mo yam ti omo se papa ne nko no nsamra biem ena obenfo akwasibotwe kane mampanyi dada kire se nya rekreda se wabo ne din se wona emra me ni tuapa mu wose dabi ye pe na yakobobola se je na se kwasibotwe dabi ono kra de omo ne din ba bia ena ayi I saw tawre bi nso kwabena se wanam awie mu aye nsuo de enwuno ne hehe sama ko wi akire 400 Ghana cedis yes what they call to men's gold wa dabi bank bia eno so akula passe amene I saw tawre kwabena wose bank ne dilewu papa ama kwabena nya izo obeton so 20% se abetiti benya emfaso wo de 4 million de akoto bank no kwabena nya asem na form nti omo sere mpanyifo so mo fa ni mapagu akwemba na nado so wase obi ani sika da sa ayi sika kora bia ne bia no o ma ne nyeka obetua nyame hira ne pa Sunyan West emrahye bedwane ne mpanyifo won so omo de asobo form se park bia ne bo eson 500,000 Ghana cedis yemfa nsi ema fiepre community no kwabrenye sika keto 500,000 Ghana cedis ye bexi dia ma fiepre fo ena enra dwumadie kama ye koso ewo enkrempuni mantemu no nsa mampanyifo bi nso omo sa wo mu papa J waka ho bi mampanyi dada akofo wo mu ena wote kokko so nsa wo bi na Ghana mampanyi ena echie papa J na wohwa efe pa se amampanyifo adadafo mu nyina dom ho ahye o man na nchichire mu ntie ne ye nyina ye mfa ye ho hyem na o man no so ye ntumpon ye infra domo enko adomu ntie we ya na mebo so e free chronicle krata ni mu ntie menwie ne kra ho wo crusading guide no nso mu enie ose na apia mensa nam 1 se se de aban no na apia mensa de ahoma beso no kon se o hwe no yidididi akwa kowura mu men's gold ka omode Ghana fo bi no ho sanse uhwe mu a woka so no nko agege ne ho anim akwa se metua ne maaya wono betente so kokko akire nte nei wode aban na behim na tipa track akese nyienu ene si ha posifo ache wono yesi wo mo de fertilizer free man mu akopie mu Burkina Faso mo sikrum na posifo wo hye no so wono ma che wono man na kwabra yesi kan ma mpenda dada mama yesi de U10 kese pa no aye wo free senior high school no se o hwe advert bi na ayi nam TV so yebeto abade mu wono no be so trank no ko school no yese no mo sere no a chese enye
de be free bi anye
de be free bi anye ebo bo kakura kofa Nigeria ni papa impo de say ya Osofia ba be gina interchange ye wa hey kwabere se ne so to hoche dam yiri ma yiri de oni hodi nyina ene no so dan chene a na advert kuro ye bi mu obi tu form pempro se bambu ase o tu form o ye de o se me ye dam ko fo asere ko fo kuro mu eso de ba ko be bo mama
afi na mu wi amu dwan
no free senior ne ba ye
ade susu beguno
o mu nyina adimrika se eja se de da guide de ba so nko bonika no wayemfo so che ye nipa ye ka se ne bone ya ne ebua free senior high school na ne ye betena they say the nyina gye atum ti anopa yi the new crusading guide was man paying dada mahama waye U10 e free senior high school said you see e kaseti a ye ho menne wono so abegye atum se e ba betena pa nti mamefa we free the new crusading guide no emu
kamara se the guide na na di wi no na ye so so ne akono monya kwan aye adwuma ma ne ma nyina ye no pe wa ba ma ne
ma wo momre pa kokum ye nwie
say MPP for say one ami nsa wa sentimental mu a omni ma sebadwafo no abankrate fo mo hwemansi no so no wono mo nkɔ ma ne ma nyina da entimi ne mo mo ze di omne kɔgyina mu akɔpem na sebadwa konwa no na se ne pɛi ewura Joseph Usu a mo tape tafe no danchem se shafa place wono wɔkɔ Alhaji Alidu Sedu ono so kɔ aso ase awa ne ma nyina ye di ama no nsa na Salisu Bamba ono so adwa se cheduma se wono so kɔntipen fo kyese nkɔfo miensa wono nkɔgyina ma MPP mo nyuko ma ne ma nyina nyi na kwabena sa mo nyina ye nyina ya danfo ne enua e funny face sam ka no
chemu
wase tama na yire ka se wo bo aduma 2 minutes no e ka toro broko se no wakonfo wase wo bande beto abonche no wote ahoma wotan konwom din wase ti de baba ye de me pa sa banche ti se mi Ghana fo nyina ni me 2 minutes 2 minutes sai 2 ane me kum ho wase wo man kwara kwade ko bofa mu na bia so wonfatu no I so ko hwetu afo jana bi ka chance krache de be se nyese enu guasere ne abatrem ene me nyina be yi ampa ene ampa ne ma ne ampa won kunu wonne wada so ti ase nyame na dom ne me nyina tim ko yi dia ma o say mi se ko ton dia sambe show
akoda na me e wa homa no so na o se ne nsa ka assembly member no ene ni ko di mo ne mreto so akoda yes o sa ka assembly man oh okay
municipal assembly me wa atake to go to no moya de na moya mo de yede ye light bill na issue so ye to issue na ne omo first so ye twa omo kakra sa ta light also okay, I see it was I am away because 800 Ghana cities no. Wouldn't I about something? 18 months to be able to meet here land be or at least that will to have 100 cities. No what change my phone so Lucia Tuao money ocean no and your pronoun so Lucia Tuano. But some media that son idea can be a cow the to home is a kappa because see the how kakra. What do you have? One of bomb. I don't know you have an propose to say a bomb trivia woman. The other you have put me funny BB and found when you here. Oh, up near Omoka look at because my 2 animal. Because we are almost 70 years in a crowd for 70 years, so like you know. It's almost 90 years now. But somewhere last year, my 2 animal embassy from my because we share the PR new toilet in our ESC. And super Upia now home. And my 2 animal. But you are not to me, I can say, see, I left also my last 3 months. My contractor, over BC, meaning Abaha. My poor municipal, engineer, planning officer, environmental officer, MPU, non-usual business as usual. You know me now committee. Yes, and on my money. Me from come chief executive. Although they would inside the share no man no better and Juma. But up to now, we declared on the Juma family secretary. We did question sir. I don't know Ali. We do question sir. So I see me see anything in my record. Already is usually obey down the kind of yɛyɛ meeting bi wɔ courthouse electoral areas wɔbaa no nipa dodoɔ no ka sɛ toilet no ɛha wɔ mɔ na wahyɛahyɛ wɔbɛyɛ ama yi nti wobɛyɛ no woanyɛ ho adwuma dɔɔso wɔ ho ɛna mematu ho anamɔ meyɛ contractor no yɛfrɛ no John nti wɔba bɛyɛ neɛ ɛsɛ wɔnyɛ biaa masa neɛ ɛsɛ wɔnyɛ biaa wayɛ yɛnom akɔ meeting bɛyɛ 5 times papers a engineer ne sɛ ɔma yɛ ama no Irikoma or no chief executive. Up to now, and this is my 2 1 I'm 10 times. Because yes. And the electrician no Macatro, and say Omutami and Naja and Nukrano Moka and the Nukrapa.
Only on a way to probably because one was say, as a family member, when the actual
for the security reasons, there is no problem. Yeah, but no,
one time because everyone.
Somebody, I am in the Pasha Maba. But the Montu Hana Momosu. Muko, with the Munka, me Kate, with the letter, document in our sending. My former secretary with the sending, certainly I'm in the
on card behind so I make on carrying
really look for it or unity. Shaman. Almost 2 months here. Because now call about Kukura issue. We got some local one country chief. Mr. Rano, don't let you know, a month for no Daman Kura or more Mutihano, Mumbami Sukura. Which is Nami Mitron to Omisi or Mubamisu. Sena toilet in a sea and yet, until Mr. Rano country. And I mean, no near MC Sushi, and our country MC and him say, Nimi the country and MC is chief. About your letter, Midabano. And I used to say, aha, on a country and Kura. But up to now. Until,
honorable, and who say, I could be a secret shot there. Other than no money reservation. Now, money no come, and yet less cost than near mobile and
correct. But last time, maybe I know, some are maybe assemblyman for problem. And also, me for one amo, because only Kenya. O Kashikawa no and ya dey able to me and I miss out the call KMA that time no KMA no mo see from his contract no mo dey almost start to so nti menche kakra nti mi wa na ya di ba e come say asokor mo po ha da si le so mi to one amo I know so ya
and all the thing of free connection is that that's what
that's what it is. No. For say staff we be 30 ewa Ashanti region. But the sungo news over ha we know about oni na bakuso ha. If you know ha ni na etika onye we but ni na ukoso ha. Oh, ni also man we uji akọ ha ya pe na country no. Now the message kasi abrew. The one here ya odi na
ko. No. I didn't know, yeah. I better want to because after I been there,
we took one amono and I somebody see case no court until any idea or motive anti and the environment teacher. We are way when I say and can watch them when I say and can watch them
honorable. The craft mono. I didn't have it in the idea for a company, you know, the map party not so half hour. Which means find you be let's can be an out to be a bit free on the other.
But how far make I know? Maybe this can
I mean, so depend with cancer.
Men ka fi mo ba tu uba so ngudi so ba we say street light there me best enu na me di talk enu na me di mala trenchi
ama for them on akata no kana o mo se de nye di enfiri ho
se de no ka se ba o mi se ba next month o ba ma street light Certainly, I mean, because it's my request speed drum. And you are your central police station after me. Most of the emergency, the name so bad, the way of power in your one. My request speed drum matter more than 2 years. Up to now, you hear the man, it will be absolutely 2 1 hour.
minnim se minnim no problem o minnim le ta minnim dia me be request on obia minya onya mami I don't know minnim wallahi minnim se o pese minya tambele ma no ana minnim so ni woni pa do mo ha ye o mo ye ni o mo tna ne o mo to ma asen if they go ha na o mo fere so o mo ba da ka so that I am be the se o mo ba musuma ba maybe mo mutu ana mo a maybe ye kakra
bana bo we dem pese ni du se bi na me ho to attend kana wo se wo bi dia ka sa
me ala
before then no na wana bo Muhammad bawa authority aye
Now say tall as 90 years.
Yes, I do, yeah.
Let us say the oldest in the region, and
the oldest in the region. But I know and Munyam said, oh, maybe I know, maybe I some man, Mama, I see toilet to but up to now, master.
Who's the one corner? Honorable MC Oyosa. Who's the one corner Oyosa?
Talk meant to me, Casadia, but wait, you won't go on your Yamisa.
Are they what Kai said? Be on the most to be now.
Okay, Nipa dance an idiot, maybe Matian and I obey didn't to mention it.
Sir, now what be Sano? What be Sano? Hello?
Minutia. And in a Colabako. And I miss the chief, but your toilet, I mean, you see, and Alcano, maybe can't consider Alcano one country because Onuna, Onunam, and Zambia. Then I mean, some go to Alcano and say one country. And they didn't share any Alcano and I miss Bisano, Alcano and say, chief, but your toilet in Asian. And Alcano crack country and say, oh, Bisan, and say, oh, some country chief to cry, say, one shall know when your mouth. But, Master, up to now.
Okay, yati. Akoda?
Yeah.
Nana.
Okay, that's it.
Mr. Muntu Juana Musu Mamani. Namisuminia in Moniamo, the electricians. No.
Okay.
It's one amount. I do one better than that.
And I speed ramps, so I need to let no qua. Carne moto fono. Want to meet you moto via Unya MTTU. But ever to me, I say, speed ramps to mommy. And somebody are continuing him. But I know what I see. Amarus contract engineer no what the aba and so say one science sana aba be
okay
Mr. no so my own body bia only the one function you say person o my no enkosu Mr. no so my own body bia only the one function me MBA senior
that's all was so obesa ko biem de
na ko inshallah
okay that's pa
you should have much
all right
you should be there.
Yes.
Akwada nyame we meni papa na bona mane na modi aba susani maybe modi mane atimu hedi maybe inshallah we be
yes won hwa akwada yema yo man botom nyedu waje torches kan fie bi okono de ona so 90 years
na 90 years body assembly
wose boso me bia oje 800 Ghana cedis 90 years onye nrio
current every yenko
ezi kwa bra no na fani first year sen ko jan ho kwan na so ya me da amenti o jan na so na kwa bra se bia si o Kenya na san meko Kenya ma menwie yo tu fa sampo hina nipa bonfo bi
and obia say na went
to kwa bra ya se hwe papa bi ni ma bi na mfo odum tu mu nso mfo mko posifo na nwan hwemu
Kobra nra na nasafo kantanka kura mayeyi o se edin no eye otumfo asrampon asese di obi be kire se o ya amamre ni amane ni we no ana otumfo be ko be bi te se papa ikru achem ohene ni podese pasaje fo mo onse wono na koto kwa hine suma no ma ni bi kan ko je ni ji susu mo okay
Wabena eye bi akoso Kenya MPB ewu ode ken okon na nadafo pa oyɛ governor ɛwɔ Kenya wo mu kropon a ɛyɛ Nairobi no idin ɛde Mike Sonko papa ekodi nwe ho adanse wɔ yi ase wo fa microphone wo so ni nua no woni so aware ne yiri broni fɛfɛɛfɛ no ne nwe na danfo no pɛma papa nze wanka na wodi atro na danfo kwa na ma bia wo ama baba akode so osi do no enya de wa nti adanse bi obedi odanfo no ho empini ho no sɛ ɛma pɛ de wi rekɔ na ho
oh pasamaka
na manfo si wadanfo wu na bedi no wadanse a de obetima yɛ ni
Okay.
asese adane antinwahwe o Kenya manim ɛna mo de ho ase tinye na na mo aso chi se de no kyere no ti aba no penifo mo no ma ne menyi nanyi no ma pani bo fu kwabra wo se adwuma ho do ahye aban se no enipa wo no mo yi adwuma no do no a wo mo bo lase wo mo mpadwuma wo mo nyi wo mo nya adwuma sika so mo jeje a wo mo nyi de ese so mo di a na o makodi enti o ka che o mo nyina so obi amene ni na ho fi se aban tran ama gana bi oyedi no aban adwuma yefo enye ntontwe tititru bank
Akosia.
eni what ka yi mu kwabra so mariable oh win mariable kwabra bi ko chena mariable
ariabone ayase katapura na ayi kasi bi boni mu dududu
no mu di miamia
ye kwan wi de fa so ma ne timu ko bo atem mi emi asem
na alajo mampani na timu ye bibi ana wo yi kwan ana o se bi small na kwa bi je no se please when you go do we ana ba go se we two video ana so en kakrakra e kwan no road call no wo bia benya ne de etiga na force kwan ni nyanye montombo obeya mamu akosia
Mameni Ora Emmanuel Amwa Dako ne chartered economist encoding komo emfa financial sector cleanup a ekosu ihu na fe meto aso. Yera Dako emwachi o. Na ba chompo mo e. Adom kro ya ene kwekra yen. Yeso da se e for no wache yeso kro. Ora Dako financial sector cleanup ekosu. In fact, then na what say banks ni bi o ha e folding up ni ade. Man for so I worried so musika come even though government are sure customers say musika na come there, but say who about Ghana for pa na bi so say man for nyuma is man for nyuma hwiro man aso mo nyuma egu ni ade. The economy is it healthy for our economy?
That is what we should be able to focus on. The banking sector cleaning up, starting from the universal bank, not just 2017, a full more microfinance institution, Friday, the year, was savings loans, and the fees, a year regulator, also cannot blame the banks but regulator also have to take some portion of the blame because there are reasons why some of these banks are folding up and publishing from the regulator. That is why EFCC this challenges that you're facing in the interim. But as I said earlier, the vision for us to have a buoyant banking sector, which will tie in with other players in the financial industry. We said that is all we should be able to focus on. But there should be other mitigating measures minimum fees according to the Depositors and Specialized Taking Institution Act, Bank of Ghana and National Bank, responsible say, and you can say deposited yes cash. So we see now the receive now will take care of any of these banks and other microfinance and other savings and loans, you have to validate all the claims back up, no my validation, and then government is going to pay you because that is this is taxpayers' money. You're cleaning out the system, and the kind of universal banks, you're cleaning up compared as about 4 billion Ghana cedis. And your savings and loans, so it's going to cost us between 6 and 8 billion Ghana cedis. Microfinancing, so it's going to cost us up to about 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. So these are monies depositors there. According to Ghana, they should be protected, and they are not going to lose their money, but it's a process, and it'll be answered so the
to the layman, or say enuma egu, banks egu, amount for enuma, and also one more workers and no more enuma airborne, and also it's a munya jumanye. And so, Argentina are buying and recapitalize those banks. Now, in United now amount for new money. Then I will come from.
Bank of Ghana has tried to resuscitate some of the banks. And I give an example. Capital Bank, no, UT Bank, no more facing problems. You have more cash to pump in because I know another Bank of Ghana, as a sort of more they say, we have to boost confidence in the banking system. But yes, some of them more, and some of them impunity, causing impunity. That's how this guy, the amount of money, and these are the things that are also and I believe that they are very unfortunate. These people are very innocent, but on board, almost several management and decisions to be on has costed us that. So, in the interim, it's a bitter pill to swallow, especially on the employment side. People are going to lose their jobs. But it's really a strong banks which have good capital and also which have financial wherewithal to do banking business. All these people will be able to come up to the industry again. But for now, not yet. A chairman said that you operate once you are not abiding by corporate governance. A chairman said you operate once you are insolvent. A chairman said water quality not a reform. A chairman said we need adequate capital to do the banking industry, to do banking. And Mrano, the also is saying, so. But in doing our fallout in the unemployment, it's very unfortunate. But once we're able to clean up the system, I believe stronger banks will be able to absorb some of these people are more so much.
Mate Pen say, Ebinomoka say, banks are all Ghana crowd doors to the domain, to say Ghana, na banks be brave near day, and more in economy no near day. Is it a problem with the numbers, or I say numbers no, and now say a mismanagement?
It's not true a problem about the numbers, but the numbers also leave much to be desired. Omaya, we are about 30 million people. They have more than 34 universal banks. Microfinance, saying you good rather than a hearing. It means more than that. And start savings and loans is just 23 is why I'm going to lose one line. But in terms of real banking, are they, with all these banks, the people who have access to banking products and services and no 30% of, and I say 40% of in population. So it tells you that banking better more, and the easiest not in conformity system anymore. Asset your bank in an institution, not the third party transaction or the scanning more conformity and conformity on one be our this is not real banking. Banks, the core function of a bank, and they say you accept deposit and you create credit out of it. And more importantly, credit for the private sector, because you see the banks and banks need to be more private sector this year at a lower rate than and you can imagine, say, with all these banks, interest rate will Ghana high, very high, one of the highest in the South region. And as the lower middle income country, now your interest rate, I will so say, how can people do viable business? And then budget bank loan, one spend you between that job between 22 or 25%, even depending on a customer by customer base. So it tells you say you clean up when you know. Say you been your banks or more you know, but you loans loans on the who know for. Say no for one, I'm crying you more, but you know, no but to me, I am prime for and I or my economy the so the bottom line, I say, going forward after this cleaning up, let's have strong banks that can support big ticket projects, that can support the private sector to boost economic growth. I know the bit me, I can say, clean up here, and of course, the supervisory division of the Bank of Ghana, also they should be blamed for all that has happened. And then I remember my license is the qualified banking license. And those are the legitimate questions. And that's how we are cleaning up the system. And then see cleaning up that in here. But the more we are accomplices to the because of the and will be losing the debate.
That's right.
And these are the things. Yes, here Universal Bank cleaning up. Bank of Ghana can say, so I prefer Dr. Diaco Mayuku on Gophobia or Musuba in my investigation. But this is a and if you want us to have confidence in the whole cleaning up, we should also be able to hold people accountable. As soon as I'm not being saying, I am banking supervisory boss, and now your staff, and you need a banking qualifying so many licenses. Or your manager will do a bank, then so now boss, I've been saying, and said this year, a third party related transaction here, and so be a man. Those are the things that we should talk about, and we should, a investigative body, they should work out, so that they are confident that after all, taxpayers' money, and they out these banks. And yes, I have you clean up one leg, but other leg whereby people will be brought to book. Now, and yes, and I must say, if I said, you don't get you, I also give me, said that they are be more concerned, will give you will be so endless. And these are the kind of things that we should be able to discuss going forward.
The next say, and not necessarily say, I buy a good banks, name no, and ye more.
Oh, that is not good banks are dead over now, good banks. No, because the banks are even the bloodline or the lifeline of any economy. And so, then we never feel so good. No, I am not implemented, who needs adequate capital, who abided by corporate governance. These are all laws. That is why if you read the Bank of Ghana report, and we are teaching why yes, cleaning up the depositors and specialized deposits taking act. And only a day yet that you may. So once you breach, and once it's not in consonance with the law, else I'm going to know the inchi about here, we're going to bring your friends who I will not get anything from, but the regulator, which is the Bank of Ghana, is undergoing a cleanup of the whole industry. So that they are living a strong banking sector.
With specific reference to GN Bank, the Bank of Ghana reports, you know, say GN Bank, that is one of the reasons anti mamo omusika sem echo from no.
Well, that's a good question, but the big question is you put on say, of all banks here, we bank you are bank your council and a bank your in the way say here, a bank contract here or the man and credit businessman and a contractor and a loan or bank and all. There's a one bank who you are contractor and a contractor the bank into the secret for. So that is legitimate. But in terms of yet the percentage of that the cannot as compared to what other ratios, you know, that is what we should be able to compare. Because they have there, also when you have 100 cities. Maybe they are buying at the 5 cities. No, who can say 5 cities are buying the country and I'm a bank in the Gua. And I think it's not right because now the 95 Ghana cities now is done so for this case by case basis, of course, some of the banks you know are buying the no two ways about that. About also one who more things that they can, and also be contracted the contractor and some good Japan. Good, no two ways about that. But compared to other things, that's really the brain. That's why I know what you make. That is the bottom line.
Okay, all right, Manoa, Dakwa, if that's on a pay, I won't come out and between. Great. Emmanuel Moa Dakwa, chartered economist, and you know, drink on so the Shabunaba. Say the Mwadaho. Where did you fear? What you say? There's a buy the good banks, Numa. Now buy good Numa, buy good Numa. Okay.
It wish I won't think.
That's right. Got you,
Uncle. Say, and your master's son.
It is a can you to feel no be the body go up on Pem Nebama. It's a common.
What do you?
Smart business.
Yes.
What do you know with taxi?
What you feel now?
Papa.
What you? Now some munche move back. The entire day body good see more tongue. Mecha a free. You must say quite a state, no important war. The one as a business, Russia. But Joe, I wore be nice by brain shop, a boaqua, Abugo station where will be one of pay.
Okay,
yeah, Domitin. Joe, I made sure I'll never be our corner, so near Manco Yama.
Nana, ye could the cup from Ghana Limited was in come from us and ne ano pay. A promotion the Gusua, a cost din. Now was say NASCO 19 LED satellite TV. What is so cry for 4 NASCO 24 LED satellite TV and so what is so NASCO 32 LED satellite TV, NASCO 40 LED satellite TV, NASCO 40 LED curved satellite TV. Enti a curved wine no and a satellite no. Nini now so what it is so pa can a bona now tono no ente sebium and ne bona kofon the autumn 2000 and ne above on kra. Eti kwana kwaje woniema we nyina e wo Cap Farm Ghana Limited ana se wo konso also pe air condition obeyi e de amount gas cooker de oven sa hyem no so bi wo honom rice cooker e me ye de no sandwich makers kettle and afi iron I would beto niema e wo dem obehu Cap Farm Ghana Limited e wo Crowfrom omune Crowfrom magazine no ene di nhwani mu e na wokoda koman enkanso a omo wo ho Achimota Legon Accra Central Nungwa Oyerefa ena Kaswa takrade so behu Cap Farm e wo honom ana afra wo mo 0244 019518 0244 019518 ana 0500 000106 ofra Cap Farm Ghana Limited ebejoso
Giddy power edre ye tene nka chepa wa bo dwuma fritetia bepem sabre na wadaso a wojina ne na so twem kɔ ne nim konkoden Ghana mema nyina atwa ne pruse se ampa eye adru a aboa ye efritetia bre so bepem sabre na ose wo bemba na wo mre wo mpamu a de wodi si ania ne se wo je mu befu akwa chokope giddy power ni bi de be ma so me masem no agina so pa de sisi ya de agina to ho ya wo ye ne ho hwe anyi no ifa cho enye ho achinyi ne kope giddy power ibi won so wachiri bremo eye wo ya wo honam nyina tutu pa ne kura wie eheda nyine ti no ifa cho jo ho ye kope giddy power ni bi ne beboa wo ifa cho ye woni nsuo ene wo ne topa ye entimu bia wo giri se wo betimi anom no simple way no eno ne beboa me kan fo dia ma se kope bie na nso enko enkopa emfa ma wo sanso ene ese nne eye ntontom wo wiase nyina wo no moda na entontom so de ade ba ko mo de ma nipa ma ne dane atete mai pa ye etridi ya die nipa cho se bia chewa wo mo de ne kope gidi malaria ni bi na ebobo na no so betu ase akon de waje wa free saa entontom ya die ho na afi kokon so ya de a edi nipa nya pa no nti gidi ko enso wo ho de ma wono ma koko age wono oboso mbesi koko nti wo bi wo ka de ho no se na nsa ne nai na wotwe wonya ne nada enti wonya ye nti wo ka de ho pa cho ya de na wo boa no kan fo de saa no ti bo mode ne ko pe gidi ko ni bi ne betu ase de ama no so sisi ade so ne pa wo bo ko fichira na no demu na ebi mu nso de ono nso ko fichira ensi su ye bibia betini akoso kama de ama wo ba so de wo kan nyina adam from why tiana why care for mama na fe gidi kof wono so wabɔ wa ma akoko nyina hyehyew wobɔ wa na aso mfe no mfe wodwo ho anyi a kɔpɛ gidi kɔf no bi na betu ase dia mampacha wopɛ dodo anase ba akoma akoato a Kolinak ho na afi Dani Heba ewo Ashton Fred Benson so ho na Brazil require so kewo na ozone schemes so kumase ya won sabeka bi ahoma no nie 0268 988 000 0268 988 000 and 030 22 50 939 030 22 50 939 kopegi di ready na ebedi wasema ma pa
Utrack Savings and Loans Limited say I'm on for one mambo one by back myself bagana basa to mem what job na so boy na patron be share ni and almost for some fan to kan cham zampa sika djuma de wo ye wo nko ne bank wo mambo se wo na kan so mo sika ni na say wo ya djuma tu akwa control tu oka aba djuma de a e wo dem si bra cross wo kra no me ba so mo me fan to no say wo fix up position aba ya fabro mba ya mo current account so mo ye savings so mo ye and afele balado susu and savings nyina so mo ye busket account no ere nkwada de ye de man kwada yi e de bo mo chidom asorofo a mo pa sika de si asodan no mo fi school dem mo atomo mo tete kwa fama mo nsu de no wa mo se magibi bo bi discover bo chepe wo si no bra wo me de ba ma wore mo no sabet maka mo ba mo ni so be ya ma fefe me pa cho tamale kan na suwa na ba furu yakwa tamale sunya ne tachi ma kekos ko komlemle kaswa ko fodua wa ana fete kwade sa hwidwase a chem dan swame do kek asokwa obose ana dan sasokwa be ba cho ko ma sasokwa no maki odan ni hwede mu Canada na spirit of mo na chirpe e won mo dan kek so wo ne dia famasi we ko fa no ana di hwede mu Kumasi swame ni road kwasi pon se chase chawa wa was Boston bus stop wa mo se mo ne kaka kola deficit no depot na hwe ni mu pa eti me pa cho bra na betra bibia be koboko ama Utrack o ma musika sika mo de ma wa do bo adwuma nya wie didi e we bia da ba cho number no 0322 039 876 0322 039 876 ave 0322 036 412 0322 036 412 Utrack Financial Services and Loans Limited what is car wa bay
odon so eba mesha wo se kan fo mo said na wo your ba na wo fichi ho no enheda enkoye emma sanso ene wo ba wa himfie wo no oba de enye waduane nko na meba ema ni gio ya no mpenfo ta aka said the way to a man's heart is food enso no enye so de nko afom de so ka ye
number 10
eti bibia be koyi ama wo a oba e o se wo siesia himfie wo kama ena se wo pia na okro odi tetete e onu se ade de koyi nti aha na obi akwaje fene sem oba no modon so e ba mesha bibia be koyi e dia ma wo obebu nsa ma no so ye kama na abesina ko enennum enensia enenson no sampa oyo bebu no etwa na nsan ne nan ne dia ne na na shada meyi ya ne shada koyi ati ase e ba bebre dia ne bebo apanti no modon so e ba mesha ne bibia enkoyi e ma wo Tinated Heba ewo Methodist Stores Kolinak Heba Ashtown Nisi Pharmacy Ashtown Fredimens Heba Keo Apidank Heba Keo Habme Pharmacy Asafo Restone Pharmacy Ashtown Ena Oko Western Pharmacy so abant madie wo ha Sofulai ena Raga Junction Dani Heba ena Costa Pharmacy ewo nyina wo kwa obenya Odonso Heba Mixture from Sia ewo 0208 314 641 0208 314-641 and 0556 631 518 ofra Odonso Heba Mixture and for Bejoso
Bernard Ventures asye ya wo mo ayi ho asi ose wo beboa o man Ghana pa titru ene wo Asante Mantam wa ene Mantam ahodo atwa o man Ghana ho ahye nyina ofa ban ye ni aka se ofa na sem na make me ba che wayi wo ho asi ose second hand goods papa no na suye ene wo home use ya na make am asemi me pa cho TV international de border ho e free 70 inches ekosi 32 ni nyina bi wo no suye ho na afi laptop mobile phone monitors bicycle iPad microwave fridge e bit say dual chest freezer afi tabletop a deep freezer ni nyina bi wo no suye na multi purpose blender so ho rice cooker sandwich makers foam na afei woolen carpet ene niema ahodo no a wo seka bi beboa mo asetrema koyie no me pa cho second hand na say home use no wo fa ben na so ye ho no mo a ye momodin na ye nkonkwaji bi sanse wo de bai say ye nia ye ntira ye nkonkoto shane bia na chinanko akwakwaje na ho nti no ene wo fa ben adwene ho akofa ne papa wi e dia ba me pa cho wo so open nkrokro na say wo open dodo mo atu a wo betimi ahwehwe na kira kwan wo otafo kwan no so baby akwase pon junction wo no ehwo a ena abehu no old new anase Tafo new road mo Tafo new road kwase pon junction ho no mo a ena abehu no ahoma no enie 0277 966 894 0277 966 894 bomodien nefre of abensi si ya na also home use no wo ma obi ato na so ni ajepa
patron be so obo nbrofo ya
anwamo
the brofo
anwa ye de oil na mo ye de rice fabum
David say wa fabum
oil rice
ana rice oil
David oil rice
anwamo kojo and anwamo we nya bigi atim sampa wati di kwabra Royal Farmers Rice Sambu no bia na Ghana ha ya oh kwabra jaya eyam yenu wa white rice ho and a boil rice nso e wo ho na kwabra mo chem sa white rice no and the perfume wom te say yarum de repi no wo se bia na Ghana ha nti yam no yarum de na se gudam tin sha be wo ha na eduonu e no ma ha se yiri ba enti na de si wa de chen ya na no ahojo we so do onu na wo twe no da so jadija na boil rice no kra de so timi de ye amutu kwabra jai wotim de dorof tim de wache tim de ya nwamu e na bon bof di no na wo mo chese se aduane no me adem nya nyipi e de papa se do ka kan de kwabra jai na
wo fia de bo ho ade de wo bia e
what ya say
ye wo de ba ye nka si dis
debi ye nyesa ye do why ye fa de bone man to da ye nyesa na kwabra hwei wo mo chichem 1 kg 2 5 and 25 and the assessment 1 bag 50 no and no so dem na ne kase wo mo no say 1 kg na 5 cedis pe 5 Ghana no ajo de no kwatwa no amene me nyina twai abonim ena ehwam na ho ane dede kwabena esokatema so so entiamanfo nyina nkwaji bi na wedi e Ghana ha ya ativi mantam na nkwala ena omtua no enti pato e Ghana mo na mo ma Ghana de nyina na so ya no de iska o dia wo no san fa me bi entiatie fo mo hwe no mu ni mentimbo a abonim ayamo ton na no so yetwan na che opese yi makoma so a ebe ya motim de opese de bia enti pato ho mani di 0548 828 337 0548 828 337 and 0800 109 000 no to free no 0800 109 00 not just what from a name in netway the Monte Royal Farmers Rice no kwabra wo mo dia ba e mani nyada me ba fi ne bi ni wa me di
mo ene ye hwana fe na betrim
me ba kuma ni oh me di me hwa che
o be kone ni mpa e wo ho kwabra ya wie na ayi action man o tano so police station when ye chief inspector wo so so na sergeant TK ono so tano so kwa ba me che omo na no pen ono ma ya di omo do nipa
kwabra me bi ni bo kwa sa ye na mo so be ware so nka ba sa ye timetim